All right, AP, here's sample exercise 3.40, calculating molar mass. Juglone is a dye known for centuries. It is produced from the husks of black walnuts. It is also a natural herbicide, meaning a weed killer. And it kills off competitive plants around the black walnut tree, but does not affect the grass or other non-competitive plants. The formula for this substance is C10H6O3. First, I want you to calculate the molar mass of juglone, and then I want, and secondly, a sample of 1.56 times 10 to the negative 2 grams of pure juglone was extracted from black walnut husks. How many moles of juglone does this sample represent? Go ahead and press pause now, because here comes the solution. All right, we're being asked to do two things here. First, calculate the molar mass of juglone, and you should do this in order because you're going to need this molar mass to actually complete the second task here. So the molar mass is obtained by summing, adding together, the masses of the component atoms, meaning the 10 carbons, 6 hydrogens, and 3 oxygens. In 1 mole of juglone, there are 10 moles of carbon atoms, 6 moles of hydrogen atoms, and 3 moles of oxygen atoms. So simply using the molar masses from the periodic table, taking into account how many of those atoms I have, and adding all those masses together, I can calculate the mass of 1 mole of C10H6O3 to be 174.1 grams. For the second task, the mass of 1 mole of this compound, like we just calculated, is 174.1 grams. Thus, 1.56 times 10 to the negative 2 grams is much less than a mole. The exact fraction of a mole can be determined as follows. So we take the mass that we have that we just that we have from the question, right? And we use the molar mass of the substance, which we just calculated to be 174.1 grams. And I know the grams are going to be on the denominator of my conversion factor so that I can cancel out grams and end in moles, because that's what the question is asking for. Simple calculation, multiplication and division, yield a response of 8.96 times 10 to the negative 5 moles of juglone.